making a video about surprise eggs. Since it's already Easter, right? And Colin is really fond of Kinder Surprise eggs. She collects and she's just fond of eggs. So, okay, tell me about this. This is an Adventure Time surprise egg. Open it. She just, wow, what's that? What are those? You have, what's that? It's a cute ball. It's a cute... What's the name of this adventure boy? Jake. Cute Jake ball. Show the ball. Show the ball. Show the ball. Show the ball. There. And we have a we have candies. Yay. And last one. What's that? A sticker. And a flyer. Show the flyer. Flyer. Open it. There. Yay! So that's our first video for the surprise egg. So watch for another video and we'll be having more for this Easter. Bye!